Hey guys, I hope you will be fine. Again, I'm here with a new video. In this video, I'm gonna teach you 10 sentences which we use in daily life. Before starting video, I request to my loyal viewers that if you are new on my channel, then please subscribe my channel and click the bell icon and select option all so that you can get notification of every coming video. So without wasting time, let's get start our lesson. So first sentence is you are coward. You are coward. तुम डरपोक हो. Second, I'm not easily persuaded. I'm not easily persuaded. मुझे मनाना इतना आसान नहीं. 3. He is in tipsy. He is in tipsy. वो थोड़ा नशे में है. 4. Her tongue totters a lot. Her tongue totters a lot. उसकी ज़बान बहुत लड़खड़ाती है. 3. He lisps a lot while he is in impression. He lisps a lot while he is in impression. जब वो दबाव में होता है तो वो बहुत तोतलाता है. 6. Stop your gimmick. Stop your gimmick. अपनी नौटंगी बंद करो. 7. It's my decency. It's my decency. ये मेरी शराफत है. 8. My tummy is full. और I'm full. My tummy is full or I'm full. मेरा पेट full है. 9. I'll show you later. I'll show you later. मैं तुम्हें तो बाद में देखूंगा. The last one is 10. Watch your step. Watch your step. देख कर चलो. So guys, these were my 10 sentences. I hope you will like it. See you in next video. Have a good day. Take care. Bye bye.